American artist who could design a scarf with a southwestern theme. In nearly 50 years of making scarves, Hermes had never commissioned an American. They needed someone from the outside to lead them there. Marcus pointed them toward a painter in Houston named Kermit Oliver. Oliver was born in Refugio, Texas. His father worked as a cowboy on a cattle ranch. He grew up, went to Texas Southern University, became the first African-American artist in Houston represented by a major commercial gallery. He was also a mail sorter. He worked for the United States Postal Service for 40 years. Pierre-Alexis Dumas, artistic director of Hermes, saw Oliver's first design and said, "When I saw it, I said, Kermit, we must not stop here. We must go on." Over 32 years, Kermit Oliver created 17 designs for Hermes. One design could take a full year. When it was done, he folded it, sent it to Paris, and went back to sorting mail. He is the only American artist who has ever designed for Hermes. His name appears in small print on the border of each scarf. Hermes' name is on the tag. The scarf retails for $550. In the 1980s, when Oliver first began, a carré cost $140. The retail price has quadrupled in 40 years. Rare Oliver colorways now sell at auction for thousands. Kermit Oliver is in Waco. He is still painting. His work hangs in the Smithsonian. A museum in Galveston currently exhibits his Hermes designs alongside his paintings. He was named Texas State Artist in 2017. He accepted and went back to Clifton Street. The person who creates the value and the person who captures the value are not the same person. The K-Nuts of 1831 could have told you that. Here is what the critics say. They say the Hermes carré is the most sophisticated marketing object in the history of fashion. That the brand sells aspiration, not silk. That any manufacturer with the right equipment could produce something visually indistinguishable. They are not entirely wrong. But something keeps the artisans there. 30 years for Carmel Hamadou, who still prints scarves by the same Lyonnaise method the Canuts defended with their lives. 20 years for the seamstress with the needle. 2 years of training before a single scarf is touched. Another year per design for an engraver whose name will never appear anywhere. Hamadou said it plainly to a room of visitors watching him work. It takes 2 years to make and 2 minutes to buy. He said it the way someone states a fact they have made their peace with. Because the 2 years are not made for the 2 minutes, they are made for the scarf. The one that will be worn once and folded away, or worn every day for 30 years, or passed to a daughter who will wear it in a city she has not moved to yet. The time does not happen for the buyer. The time happens because that is what the thing requires. Speed is a form of disrespect toward the thing being made, and no faster process has ever found a way around that. There is a word the Lyon artisans use for what they do: métier. It means trade, craft, calling. But in French, it carries more weight than any of those translations. It means the thing you have given your body to learn, the thing that is not separate from who you are. The Canuts used it. The engravers use it now. The seamstress with the needle has been practicing her métier for 20 years. 2 words, an entire life inside them. Robert Dumas knew this. He wanted to be an architect before the family business claimed him. He channeled that hunger into silk. His grandson,